Hi guys, welcome to back my channel. Today I make Nanbanzuke. It is a dish prepared by soaking in sweet vinegar on deep fried horse mackerel and famous Japanese cuisine. Finally, I'll introduce the beautiful scenery of Japan, so please watch until the end. If you think this video is good, I would appreciate to push like, subscribe and bell mark. So let's get started. Introduce the ingredients. 1 whole mackerel. You can also make it with sardines and mackerel. 80 g carrots, 1 half onion, 4 g dash of bonnet, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and mirin, and sake. So let's start cooking. First, slice the onion 2 cm width. The thinner the better. Thinner slice the carrots. And more sliced carrots, 2 mm width. Now let's split horse mackerel into the 3 pieces. I've only done it 3 times. Cut the head, pectoral and ventral fin in a straight line. Turn over the cut in the same way. I bought it at the supermarket, so the internal organ and scales were proceeded. If there are any internal organ left, remove them at this time. First cut the skin above the spine, and second cut the center along the spine. You can get a lot of meat by cutting along the spine. Cut from the belly side in the same way. And yet the sentinel bone and the meat above it are attached. So put a kitchen knife and peel it off. After cutting off the tail, the first cut is completed. I will separate the back side in the same way. Made 3 pieces, yeah! The last cut of the leaves. Leaves are curved, so let's cut along the curve. Remove it the other side in the same way. Now I get the whole mackerel meat I need. So I cut 3 cm width. Remove the moisture from the surface by using kitchen paper. And add flour. Coat the surface of horse mackerel so it will be entwined with the sauce taste. So let's fry. Add enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. and fry whole mackerel on medium heat. When it's half cooked, turn it over. Remove when the skin turns brown. Fry the carrot and onion on medium heat using a clean pan. Add a little of salt. Adding a salt draw out the water from the vegetables and make it easier for the flavor to soak in. When the color of onion changes, add seasonings. Add soy sauce, mirin, vinegar, sake, sugar, and dashi of bonnet. Stir until the boiling. And turn off the heat when it boils. Transfer to tray with whole mackerel. Spread vegetable for soaking. And cover the plastic wrap. The point is to remove the air. Oh, I forget to add sesame seed. Add as much as you like, so the smell will be great. And cover the plastic wrap again. And let's put it in the refrigerator until it cools down 1 to 2 hours. Chilling will infuse the flavors. Let's serve it. So, finish! So let's いただきます。The vinegary and salty flavor are perfect match. Great! Let's try cooking. From here, I introduce Nanbanzuke along the beautiful scenery of Japan. Countries such as Spain and Portugal were called Nanban from the Muromachi period to Edo period, 15th to 17th century. In the Nanban country, there is a dish called escabeche, which is a tapas of fried small fish pickled in vinegar. It is believed that this is transmitted to Kyushu through Nanban trade and then spread throughout the country. Now Nanbanzuke is more home cooking than restaurant food. As for scenery, I introduced Daikanbo Lookout and Kusasenri in Kumamoto. Japan has many steep mountains and there are few places that open up to this level. So I like this scenery because it is very fantastic. It is located in Kyushu, where Nanbanzuke is said to have spread. Should definitely come. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. See you next time.